Uniting in Purpose, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the beauty and complexity of the English language. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase, united in purpose. This phrase carries a lot of weight and meaning, and it's used in various contexts to express a powerful idea. Let's unpack its meaning together and see how it can be applied in everyday communication. United in purpose is a phrase that speaks volumes about collaboration, unity, and shared goals. At its core, it means that a group of people have come together, setting aside their differences, to achieve a common objective. The key elements here are unity and purpose. Unity refers to the state of being together, not divided, while purpose signifies the goal or intention behind an action. When we say people are united in purpose, we're emphasizing the strength found in unity. This concept is crucial because it highlights how individuals, despite their diverse backgrounds or opinions, can come together for a common cause. It's a reminder that teamwork and collaboration are often essential to achieving significant goals. This unity doesn't mean everyone is the same, but rather that they're working together, respecting and valuing each other's contributions. The term purpose in this phrase signifies the shared goal or mission that brings people together. It's the driving force that motivates and guides the group towards achieving their objective. A purpose can be anything from completing a project, supporting a cause, to making a change in society. It's the reason why people decide to unite and work together. Understanding and applying the concept of being united in purpose can have a profound impact in various areas of life. In workplaces, it can improve team efficiency and morale. In social movements, it can amplify the message and lead to meaningful change. Even in personal relationships, sharing a common purpose with friends or family can strengthen bonds and foster a sense of belonging. United in purpose is more than just a phrase. It's a principle that, when embraced, can lead to remarkable achievements and deep, meaningful connections. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the power of unity and shared goals in your own life and endeavors. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, great things are possible when we come together with a common purpose. Until next time, keep learning and growing.